tripped over my own foot and then I fell. So now my knee and toes hurt.
I know
I look shopping planning is heavy process. Always have it as well.
Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Belinda, your digital pen pal. Today I'm going to be doing a weekend reset or walk-in study. Let's go. I'm cooking it and I'm going to put some gochujang and brown rolls, bok choy and
Using your kids as pawns,
I know that's not a cookie. You go.
put off your parents.
Writing is the exact time to basically say, it's not this, it's that.
Bon appetit.
Wow.
My mom just called me and I'm getting Molly tea. So you guys haven't seen me in the middle part in so long. I'm normally just side parting it up, but if I'm not doing my bangs, then I'll just like put it into middle part because it doesn't look messy.
Wouldn't respond to me at all. I love my kids, but I'm done chasing him. He wants peace. Great. So do I.
Eggs. I love eggs with my ramen.
I'm sure I made the best choices I could with what I knew back then.
Time. Instead of overthinking like a little kid, maybe learn from it.
What was that?
So I just finished eating and it's about 11:30 now and I'm gonna get ready to go to the library. So here's the fit. I have my Brandy Melville top and these jeans from Uniqlo. My chroma hair clip, it's like broken and like it's like glued on by hot glue, right? Normally if I just reheat it, then I can stick it back on, but I've tried it like 4 times and it doesn't work. Sad. I did my hair. Molly tea! It's kind of deflated, but my mom came home with Molly tea and I was running to the door and then I like tripped over my own foot and then I fell. So now my knee and toes hurt. Yeah, so this is what Molly tea does to you guys. It just gets you so excited you just trip over your own foot and fall. Let's go.
Belinda is determined to get a head start this term.
So I'm actually gonna go to work later because my mom needs some help at the restaurant. So I'm gonna go at 6 and then come back home at 9, which means I can't finish the work. But I did do a lot of what I needed to do. I didn't finish my practice paper. I wasn't able to do any math review because I literally got there when it was only like about less than 4 hours to do all the work. So I have until like 5:30 to just relax. I'm gonna play some Royal High. Why is the water green? And why is it clipping into the ground as well? That is not. I'm playing my guitar currently. Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back. Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to our old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a never remember how things really happen. I guess you're attractive or something. Live in the moment, that's what they tell me. But whatever happened to when you would hold me and hold me and hold me? Girlfriend or girl that's a friend, it's easy just to pretend that we don't have something real. That's just how we feel. Can't remember how to say your name. So much left to say, I guess I'm just a bigger guy. And there's too much on my mind that I don't even want to try. Guess it's so much of the, guess it's not far from the ordinary day. I want you to go, I wrote it in bold. Yeah, I got a plan, and you can't be involved. And when it gets gray, don't start to get mad, 'cause I'ma lose time that you are free to have. Home now. So good. Why is my phone not locked in? Hi, Kaka. My toes in the back. Morning, guys. So it's Sunday now, and today I need to finish my visualized painting. But first, I need to eat. So today I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl. Thicker yogurt.
Oh my god! Noise check. Hey, listen. Regular dollar bills. That's the only form of money I will accept. And then it'll break up and the money will come out. Let's go put it up.
Okay, I finished eating, and I really want to do a root cover. I watched like this guy's root cover. It's really good, and I really want to watch it. It's like that very popular guy, blonde guy, who's like a femboy. No, he literally is. I really want to do a root cover now, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta do visual arts. Setup. This one is so ugly. I need to fix it. Okay, right now I'm like coloring the plants because I need to do like a jungle landscape, and then yeah, that's basically it. I've been at this for like almost 2 hours, and I'm like barely even done. This is so sad, but I mean, I guess this looks good. Came home and gave me Hungry Jack's cook. My dad brought home KFC. Let's eat some KFC. Oh. I actually love KFC. I love eating sludge.
Sludge wrap? You disgust me. Factory cheese? Absolutely.
I'm like almost done. I really don't like that flour. I think I'm gonna stop now. It's around 7 p.m. and I'm tired. And my art teacher hasn't really said anything about this, so I'll just complete this another day, but I'm almost done. I'm just gonna leave this here to dry on top of Jake. Sorry, Jake. Look at that thing. Don't mind the location, but like these snacks, the best. They're like chocolate, dark chocolate, and strawberry. But we ate a lot of it. I'm gonna go showering tomorrow after school. I'm showering and it's dry my hair. I always do something. So, pause. One filming and then we're taking the outfits and fun comments. So.